Just been stressing this whole time. About how much is it gonna cost. We only have $3 on us to get onto this ferry. It's free. That's crazy. So we're gonna take our home on a boat.
Yeah.
So what did we learn from this experience?
This is really cool.
I think it's always check your route and make sure you don't have to cross on a ferry.
It's okay though, it's free.
But always check your route. We have our house on a boat right now.
We are officially a houseboat.
Yeah. Didn't plan to do that this way, but...
This is pretty neat though. That's cool that they offer it for free though.
Well, they should. They could just build a bridge.
Yeah.
It's like I can see the other side. There's the other side. It's eerie. It takes you to Cemetery Road. This boat better make it. Land ho! Don't hit too hard. Buddy parked us all pretty close together. Oh, nice.
Smooth.
Yeah, it's not his first time, obviously. I mean, we came from 200 yards back that way. I could drive a golf ball over this. Come on. Howdy partners from Magnolia Beach, Texas, where the water only comes to here. What's the plan for today, you're asking? Absolutely nothing. We're just gonna sit here and enjoy the beach. This is what we came here for, just sit and enjoy the water. We tried to do that the other day at Padre Island, and well, the waves got a little big and we were chased out. If you didn't see that episode, pretty packed full of drama, so check that one out. But as for today, no plans, gonna hang out, suntan a little, enjoy this beautiful weather, and fly the drone. And Cheryl's gonna try and talk us into this place by saying, it's only 50 grand. Look, it's only 50 grand. Skirt! Gotta look, right? It's only 50 grand. Oh, it's a bar. Yeah, that's a pretty good investment. Beachfront bar. Look at all these people you could be selling to. Selling your booze to. Put a big patio up out here. Some umbrellas. What does it look like? Like someone's been living there. Oh, sick. What an investment. Oh, there's the bar right there. Still good. Still good.
Crazy. Imagine having like a big patio out here though.
I was just saying that.
Really?
Yeah,
Wait,
for
what's Nikolai?
for 50 grand, you could be selling to all of these
Yeah, all these
people.
RVers, because they're saving so much money because they don't have to pay to stay here. They like you'd make a fortune.
Coming for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wanna go in, check it out?
No.
Okay. You want me to go in, check it out?
No. I don't
Okay.
have hobo scavenger. It's
Okay.
big fish.
Oof. Hey, honey, are you gonna go across the bridge this time? Good luck.
Why?
I'll follow you.
You really want to fall in?
Yes, I do.
I walked it. I was fine walking. No riding big.
Huh? No riding the bridge. Aww. All these people fishing. Poor baby girl. Aww. Mama's way out there. Aww. Deary eyes. Into the rolls. Aww. Ermagerd, it's another Aerolite. Sweet choice.